Hi everybody, today we're going to be going over how to print to PDF a LotWorks inspection. Now it's going to be nice and clean and centered on your screen, and if you have mobile inspections, the new LotWorks mobile inspections, you can ignore this as well. The new mobile inspections does have a print to PDF option that allow you to print it without kind of any additional extensions or multiple clicks. So the first thing that you'll want to do is install the extension PrintWhatYouLike. So that's found at either PrintWhatYouLike.com. You can also just search for it online or search for it within the Chrome Web Store. And it is available for other browsers as well. And then install it on your computer. Once you've installed it, it should show up there in your browser bar, making it very easy to actually print whatever you need to. So the next step is going to be to find the lot that you want to print. You do want the lot details page, and so the best way to do that is just to type in the lot information or municipal address, search for that. It's going to come up right away, and it's going to load the lot details page. Next step is going to be to right click and open in a new tab that initial inspection or final inspection link. It's going to open it in a new window. You can ignore that, that's from a previous printing. So here we go. When it opens in a new window, it's going to show up at the top here. It's going to have additional information so that you know that it's open in a new tab. Typically you just see the developer name. So if it has that full string, you know you've opened it in a new tab. Once you've opened it in a new tab, you can click Print What You Like, and the Print What You Like dialog box will open up on the left-hand side here. You'll also notice that if you mouse over any object on the page, that red box is going to show up for you. And so what you want to do is just click on the red box that outlines the entire page. Then click Isolate, and it's going to remove everything else from the page itself. So we still have those buttons at the bottom. If you wanted to take those out, just click on the bottom here when it highlights the red box at the bottom and click Remove. So now it's just the initial inspection form. You can click Print, and it's going to print to PDF, beautifully centered, everything on one page. As long as you don't have too many photos, then it will also kind of break to a second page, but it's nice and centered, very clean, and you can save it as a PDF. Once you've saved it as a PDF, you can send it off to whoever needs to have a copy of it, attach it to your invoices, and save it to your desktop, whatever you need to do with that PDF file. And again, if you do have the new LotWorks mobile inspections, you don't need to do all these multiple steps. It's a very quick and easy one click to print off. Thank you very much. That is it for this quick tutorial on how to print to PDF your LotWorks initial and final inspections.